Today I'm going to explain some Excel functions which is important in day-to-day life. I'm Vichara Basingha. I'm going to explain sum, average and if functions. So further we'll see what are the other functions like it's important for examination like VLOOKUP, absolute cell reference, charts and other functions. I'll explain that in other videos. You can see I just made a chart for students' mark sheet. The names is given in the first column, English marks is given in the second column, Maths marks given in the third, D science marks, then total, average and grade. Right. In Excel, you can see the usual office packages, the ribbons, home ribbon, insert, draw, different ribbons given. Here the special thing we call the function bar. So here we can insert a function according to the requirement. First we'll calculate the total. Just go to the necessary place. Here we need the total in cell E3. Click the relevant cell. So you can see the E3 is selected in the corner. Just go to insert function. There's another window appear. We can select some function either from the given list or you can just type it from the search function. Just double click, you can see the sum function. We can select the required marks. So I'm going to select the cell values B3, C3, D3. It's appear in the window and I'm going to click OK. So I can get the total of 255 using the sum function. So I can use this particular thing for the other marks as well without enter it again and again. There's a special function in Excel called fill handle. When we take the cursor to the corner of the cell, we can see there's a black color cross. Usually there's a white color cross, but here it's a black color cross. We can click this cross and drag it until the place where you want. It's E12. You can get the total marks automatically. If you want to get the average, select the relevant cell, F3. Again, go to insert function, fx function. I'll just search the average thing here. Click go. You can see the average from the selected functions. Just click OK. Again, remember, most of you are doing the mistake. We are going to select the entire range B3 to E3. But the main marks is English, Maths and Science only. So average also based on the English, Maths and Science. So select English, Maths and Science. Then click OK. We can get the average of all three. Again, I'm going to use fill handle to get the marks. But you can see some we got the decimal places, some without decimal places. So we have to make it like equal, proper decimal places. So if I want to keep this in 2 decimal places, here you can see the number thing. In that, we can decrease the decimal places by selecting everything to 2 decimal places. Right. So we learn about sum, we learn about average. There's another function I'm going to explain you today. That is if function. We'll go to the place where we want That's G3. This if function means we are going to check according to a given logic two answers there. If the answer is true, one value. If the answer false, another value. It's same as when we get more marks, more than 50 pass, otherwise fail. Same condition, two answers. So we are going to select fx, that means the insert function, and we are going to again search for if function. There's a function called if. Then I'm going to select the if function, click OK. There's a window. I'm going to move the window aside. Here we can see three different text boxes. First one is logical test. Second one is value true. Third one is value false. So this, my condition is average is more than 50, then the answer is pass, or otherwise the answer is fail. I'm going to select the first cell value of the average. So that's 85. So we are not going to type 85. We are going to give the cell value. So cell value is F3. So click the cursor to the logical test, select F3. Then I'm going to give the logical condition, greater than. This is the greater than symbol. The condition is more greater than 50. I'm going to type 50. Then I'm going to take the cursor to the next text box. If value true, I'm going to type pass. No need to enter any other quotation marks or anything. Just type pass. Then I'll go to the false thing. I'm going to type fail and click OK. So I'll be able to get the value whether it's pass or fail. We'll see the other values by using fill handle option. Take the cursor to the corner, click this and drag it. So we did sum, average, if conditions. I'll show you another one. How we are going to show this in formula view. We can go to formula ribbon and show formulas. So we can see the entire formulas in this. So we can just on and off this particular button. Then it appear the normal view, we call data view, and the formula view. I hope this is important for y'all. I'll explain the other functions as well in the next video. Thank you.